Hey everybody, welcome. It's Travis Holzman of Food Forest Design Solutions. Welcome to the forefront of a groundbreaking movement that's reshaping the way that we think about food production and sustainability. At Food Forest Design Minnesota, we're driven by a powerful mission and vision to provide an accessible, low-maintenance, high-yield permaculture food forest system that empowers individuals, families, and communities to establish their own self-sustaining, regenerative food forests. And what I'd love to offer you is to join our affiliate program. Our affiliate program offers a unique opportunity to be part of a mission-driven initiative while earning generous commissions for spreading the word about our transformative food forest system. And why would you join? By promoting our system, you'll be helping tackle pressing concerns like access to chemical and pesticide-free nutritious food and combating food insecurity head-on. Your efforts will directly contribute to improving the lives of individuals and communities. Our systems promote biodiversity and reduce the need for harmful chemicals and pesticides that foster a healthier ecosystem. As an affiliate, you'll play a crucial role in spreading awareness about sustainable practices that benefit both people and our planet. And you'll also be helping us break down the barriers by demonstrating that home food production is practical, economical, and accessible to everyone. Through your advocacy, you'll empower others to embrace regenerative practices and create their own abundant food forests. Now, basically, once you sign up for my affiliate program at Food Forest Design Minnesota, all you need to do is spread the word. We work with schools, nursing homes, churches, prisons, real estate developers, commercial properties, city councils, city planners, mayors, parks and rec departments. Everywhere we can grow food. There's unused land, underused land everywhere. And we feel that by growing food everywhere, we will solve food insecurity for everybody. Now, it's very simple to join my affiliate program. All you have to do is click on the link below this video and go to my website, click on Become an Affiliate. Actually, you're gonna go right directly to the sign up page. It takes about 30 seconds to sign up. You will get yourself a unique link that goes directly to foodforestdesignminnesota.com that's tracked and attributed to you. If that lead turns into a Food Forest Design Blueprint sale, I will send you $250. Simple. If you're looking for a side hustle this winter and you spend a lot of time online, you spend a lot of time on social media, all you have to do is grab some content off my website, off my YouTube channel. I have images, videos, and articles talking about food forest design and sustainability and solving some of the world's biggest problems through local food production. So join us today and make commissions while spreading the word about food forests. And thank you for believing in our mission and a commitment to a brighter, greener future and food security for all. And if you're not interested in becoming an affiliate, please share this video with others that might be. And let's grow food, not lawns. Have an amazing day, my friends. Talk to you soon.